Hi, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make custom enchantments in Minecraft. So I'm just so you know, this is for 1.13 or later, I'm just using the latest snapshot of recording this video, which is 19W06A. But anyway, so yeah, let's get right in. Now, in this one, as I said, we're going to be making enchantments. So, so I've left a command in the description of the video, and if you copy it in your Minecraft and you paste it in your chat, if you're using the right version, then it shouldn't, and you can do this, and this is how you'll make your enchantments. So now you want to come up with an enchantment. Now mine is gonna be a shovel, so you can put it on anything, but I'm saying it's a shovel enchantment that what's gonna do is it's going to have I don't know, I didn't think of a name for it. I guess I'm gonna call it mower. So basically what it's gonna do is when you break grass, this kind of has ferns all over. Maybe I'll add ferns as well, but I think what I'll do is, like, if you break grass, it's going to break all the grass around you. So it's like a grass clearing enchantment. So I guess I'll name it mower, because like a lawnmower kind of thing. So, what you need to do is, if you want to have normal enchantments on this thing, you can go on here, the enchantments thing, and it says like inches, or I guess I'll go inches in the thing. Anyway, but so what you have to do is you'll want to go, if you want to add normal enchantments, you can just go, like, add them. If you don't want to have that, you can just get rid of everything up to here and do that. But I'm going to have some enchantments. Actually, I'm going to have one normal enchantment, so I'm going to add that E on it. Okay, anyway. So I'm going to have one normal enchantment, and that's going to be level, let's make it 5, so it's pretty good. And I'll go ID F-E-C-N-C. There we go, efficiency. So that's going to have that. Now you'll notice there's something called name there, but so that's my enchantment. It's going to have efficiency 5. I had to put 5 there, right? Yes, level 5. And then what you want to do is you'll find keep going. You'll say, like, something that says lore text name in all capitals, and that's going to be the name of your enchantment. So you can, I'm going to do mower. I think that's how you'd spell mower. I think like a lawnmower thing. Maybe I'm wrong. I've never really seen it spelled, but that's how I guess. But if I'm wrong, well, I guess, oh well for me. So anyway, you can just go, like, you could have levels. So it has mower 1. So I'm going to do that, or mower I, whatever. But then there's another name at the end of it. Well, almost the end. You want to replace that with your enchantment. Now, this has to be unique to every enchantment you make. So this is kind of what it's going to use as, I guess you could just read the lore, but that's a lot more effort in the command block. So I think it's best you do it like this. So you want to keep up with a key name for it. So I'm just going to go mow. That's weird. Let's just go mower. I'm just saying mower. Now, if you're gonna have multiple levels, you want to go like mower 1 or something, and put like mower 1. For the second one, you do mower 2, and you have different commands for that. And you can make this a data pack, but I'm just doing commands for the video. Anyway, but I'm gonna just do mower because I'm not really gonna have different levels. So I'm just gonna say mower, and then there should be a :1. Don't get rid of that. So don't just say mower. And if it's all red, you've done something wrong. So make sure. Oh yeah. I guess I should say, when in your names thing, you can, if you don't put if you put putting random special characters in there can mess it up. Like, well, I don't know why that would matter. I guess it just doesn't support. So putting random crazy characters in, it's like an 8 or some. Okay, that works. But if you do like some crazy, if you do crazy characters, it might not work. So make sure you're only using letters, and you can use underscores and dashes. You can't use equals or plus. Okay, you can use plus, but there's certain ones you can't use. So just try to stick to letters. And you can do uppercase, but I'd recommend lower. I don't know why I'd recommend lowercase, but it doesn't matter. But just make sure you're doing crazy letters like colons or something. Now, if you're using colons, then you want to put a backslash before your colons. So if I do that, you can see that didn't work. Okay, maybe I can't do it then. Okay, maybe I'm wrong about it or something. Maybe I gotta do something like this. Oh yeah, there we go. Mobler. So if you want to have colons in then you gotta put 3 backslashes, unfortunately, before the colon. If you don't want a colon, but you want a backslash, then you're gonna have to put 4, maybe? Was it 4? Okay, you're gonna have to put 4 backslashes if you want to have a backslash. But that's just getting complicated characters. I recommend just sticking to letters. You can use numbers in here or something. You could just go mower 1. But if you want to stick to it, if you want to make it kind of feel Minecrafty, like, that doesn't make sense, but just actually feel like Minecraft, you can do the I like Minecraft does it, so it feels like it's actually part of the game, even though it's not. But this should be quote unquote seamless, so it's like gonna be, you can't really tell it's a fake enchantment. Obviously you just know that mower is not an enchantment, obviously, but yeah. So there you go. Now if you want your enchantment to display first, I'm not exactly sure if this will work. But I haven't tested it before, but I think maybe this might not work. Let me try it though. Let's try like copy and then get rid of all that. Alright, that should work. And I'll at the start here do that. That's not gonna work. I know, so I gotta put comma, and at the front here I can get rid of that. So if you do it like that. Okay, never mind. I was wrong. I guess you can't have your enchantment display first. Unfortunately, it'll be at the end of all the vanilla enchantments. But I don't know. There's nothing you can really do about that. Unfortunately, there's no way to make your enchantment display first without complicated like resource pack stuff, which would replace stuff. That wouldn't work. So unfortunately, your enchantments will have to display at the end of the list of enchantments. But other than that, you should actually be able to get to work. I'm gonna get rid of these here. This is like stuff that's just that stuff. But yeah, so now it's got mower 1 on it. Now you'll notice that when I break grass and stuff, it's not actually doing my enchantments. That's because, well, obviously, as everyone knows, mower is not a real enchantment, so it's not gonna know, and it's not even an enchantment, it's just a fake lore. So how you're actually gonna get it to work is command blocks. And yeah, so this is not like, I guess it's never been like a survival thing because you've had to give yourself items. But anyway, repeating command block. It's after repeater. Okay, so, yeah, so after you've done this, then you'll want to put a command block down, and what you want to do is, I don't actually know, I don't not know. I kind of don't. Okay, but I'm just saying, like, what I think you should do to see how this works, you can go data, get, entity, creeper juice. Let's see, where does it say? Okay, so you'll see that it says somewhere, slot 0, diamond shovel. Aha, up here it says, selected item, ID, diamond shovel, count 1, tag. So you basically want to have to do something. Now we're going to test. We're going to do like a test. So we're going to say execute at a, but we're going to say NBT. Don't know why it's not working. Is this, oh yeah, obviously, because I'm not using the right context I'm using. Okay, so, NBT equals, just like that, and then we put some NBT in. So now what this is going to be is this our NBT. Now how you do it is select selected item, you'll do, I think is it like another, that thing? I don't know. Let me look at this. It's selected item. It's up here. The selected item, Okay, so selected item, colon, and it's in brackets. So then selected item in brackets ID colon diamond, diamond underscore shovel, diamond shovel, whatever. And then you'll go, I think you have to put a count in. If you don't, maybe you don't, I don't know, but let's just go like tag, this does not, okay, I don't think this is right. How does it work again? Wait, so they do say Minecraft diamond shovel, but I don't know if that's required. But yeah, so they do, so just comma, tag, okay, so it's just, okay, this is nothing, it's just comma, tag, and then you'll go colon, more inner or curly brackets. Then what you want to just put is your keyword, your key name or whatever, which was mower in this case. And you'll say 1. I don't know if you have to have like a, does it save anything? No, it doesn't have anything, so I think that should work just fine actually. Now, if this doesn't work, then we'll go execute at, and then run, I guess we just did an at, whatever. Run, say, surprise face. Okay, so right now it's not working, and I think, let me try, well, first I'm gonna try diamond shovel in these. Nope, okay. But do I have to do Minecraft, diamond shovel? Now that works, okay, so you need to put the Minecraft in. So yeah, you have to put Minecraft in. Why doesn't this work? Oh, okay, so, yeah, you have to put, Minecraft and these little quote things. Yeah, they're just quotes, not quote things. But yeah, you'll have to do this, and then it'll keep saying your message in chat, whatever that was. Yeah, so, that means, it doesn't have to be surprise face, but yeah, and then you could say, like, just hire something. But now, if I'm not wrong, it will stop spamming it when we scroll away. So yeah, now when you scroll back on, it highlights, or it starts spamming text, so it can realize that it's going or something. So anyway, so yeah, basically what it is, what we're doing now is, well, we're gonna add a scoreboard soon. So what we're gonna do, we'll also have to say at the end here, we'll go mower 1, and then like, get out of all that bracket stuff. And then what we're gonna do is, this is another thing, we're going to add a scores. So scores, then we're gonna, you can name your score whatever you want. I'm gonna call it grass or something. It's not actually created. And then you go colon, equals 1 ... That's what you want to do. Well, this is kind of the part where you have to go from here, because your enchantment could be something different. But this is like kind of specific to what you want. You can just make this one, but if you know enough about commands, you can go from here to make your own enchantment. But yeah, so that is what you do. You add this stuff, and then hopefully that'll work. But if it doesn't, well, obviously it's not going to right now. We have to say scoreboard, objectives add, and we call it grass. And it'll be Minecraft, not broken, but mined. Mine, not a Casey button, but we'll go grass. Is grass. So create the objective. And now, hopefully, oh, well, I just didn't say anything. Oh, yeah, because we don't have anything. So what we can do, well, there's not really much. No, all we have to do now is just kind of say, well, I guess what we do is, we're not going to do this yet, but I think if we go scoreboard, no, that's not scoreboard, scoreboard, objective set display sidebar grass, then what we can do, if we break let's find some little grass here. Man, there's not very much grass around here, is there? Okay, this isn't very good, but, because we're in an area where it doesn't really spawn grass, it spawns ferns, because this isn't grass area, this is a Minecraft fern, which isn't grass. Oh, here it is. Yeah, well, we're on 2 because we broke 2. I'll save this one for later. Or we can, and if we break normal stuff, nothing will happen because that's not the enchantment. It's breaking a grass, like the grass, not grass blocks. So yeah, so that's currently at 1, and then now if we like run, say 1. So now that there's 1 or something, but if we go scoreboard, scoreboard objectives. Set display sidebar. No. To our players set, which is your name grass 0. That'll stop showing up. And if we are, I need to break another grass. Okay, so here's one. So if we do that, it didn't go up. Oh yeah, because I'm in creative. So block. Okay, grass. Okay, so it doesn't increase when you're in other game modes. Oh, you got seeds from that. Nice. But now and it's not putting 1s, you'll notice, because even though we have our score, but once we start holding it, then we'll get rid of, oops, that's not right. We'll get rid of our score, and it's not there. We'll start holding it, nothing happens, and we break grass, then it starts to happen. So that's basically what's going on here. So it should be working. And whenever there's a 1, now to stop the spam, all we need to do is say scoreboard, objective set display. No, I keep doing this wrong. Objective players set at a grass 0, and then that will, okay, well, game rule, command block output false. You want to do that. Anyway, go in survival now. We can try a grass. Okay, there's some more grass over here. There's that one we're saving to the end of the video. Anyway, if you break it, it goes up quickly, but doesn't do anything. If we do that, then we get a quick 1 when we break it with this enchanted shovel. And if we get a normal shovel, diamond shovel, where is it? Oh, it's probably down here. Yeah, shovel. If we do this and we break a grass, you don't break, I guess you do. It won't increase. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, I was like increased. But that's okay because we just broke grass. But nothing appeared in the chat because this is not our special shovel. If you remember how our special shovel, if you remember it correctly, we had the special mower tag. And a normal shovel won't get that. But we do this, then we get 1 in the chat. So that's basically the whole thing done. All we have to do is actually add the command that will run every time this happens. So we'll go, instead of running, say we'll fill, let's just like tilde, let's do like a 10 radius or something. 10, tilde, 10, tilde, 10, tilde, minus 10, tilde, minus 10, tilde, minus 10, and it'll go air, oops, A-I-R, air, replace, grass, can we do like a destroy grass? Okay, that doesn't work. So I guess we'll have to do replace grass. So I guess you wouldn't get the seeds. That's unfortunate. Well, let me try. Nothing happened, of course, because, well, we really expected to do anything because there's no other grass here. Okay, now it's not really even working. Oh yeah, we're in creative mode. I'm like, why isn't it working? But there you go. You see, it goes away. Now, I would wait a minute. Wait, hold on. Oh, yeah. I'd wished, I kind of didn't notice, but, like, I realized now that we can't say, like, only destroy grass. Which is what I was going to do. If you do destroy, that will, like, actually break the block rather than just kind of make it vanish. So we might have to maybe change that or something. But I don't know. Maybe we could say like at everything dot proceed. I don't know. But you don't have to do that. You can say like air destroy. Now you don't really want to do this. This is actually going to be very, very dangerous because you can break bedrock and stuff. So this, and you could accidentally break. I'm actually going to do it way far away. You could accidentally break your command blocks if you do this. Oh, okay, we're in. I was like, wait, what's in? I keep forgetting you have to be in survival. And wait, oh, it's so laggy. Wow, it literally crashed my game. I don't know if this clip is. Oh, it works. Okay, well, don't. Whoa, this is nice. This is cool. I'm gonna have to kill everything. Okay, there we go. And that updated the lighting too. But point is, you don't, and you could delete your command blocks if you do it too close. So you don't really want to do that. Yeah, but if the only use is to get rid of it, so I guess it's not perfect, but we can say fern, and that's not gonna work because the objective. Okay, scoreboard. Scoreboard objectives. Objectives remove grass. And it'll add grass. Minecraft mined. Minecraft. What did you mine? Fern block. So now we literally just changed it without looking in a command block, and we kind of just. So now it's good for this biome, and you could have it do with multiple. So like it'll detect multiple, but you have to use multiple command blocks. But you detect multiple things, and it'll break multiple things. So this is gonna be really good for like clearing out areas and stuff. Now there's this big fern area we can't get rid of. Oh, dead bushes spawn. Anyway, normal ferns are normal, and then since it has efficiency, and it even has like the mower enchantment, so it's like it almost looks real, like a real enchantment. Now obviously I don't know if this is like a good enchant, I don't know, but like you can think of other enchantments like water removal on the like water, or like we could say the drain enchantment. I'm gonna like make one more for the video, but I'm gonna cut because you've kind of already seen me make one. Oh, how'd it work? Like you can't break water. I guess you just, I don't know, what did you do? You break grass near what? I don't know. How would you drain the water? and like, how would I do that? I guess like, you get in the water with the shovel in your hand. I guess I can do that. And if you want to detect you getting in something, it's actually pretty easy. If you're holding something, and then you can get rid of this like score thing. But then you'll say like, if block tilde 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 is water, then blah blah blah. But then you can say air replace water. Now that just changes it all. So I guess it wasn't that hard to do, but we'll have to change like the stuff around because it's like drain doesn't go with mower or anything. Can't say mower and it drain it. So we'll have to go drain :1, and we'll get a new shovel. And you can have multiple enchantments on one thing. And get this, you can have multiple enchantments like in the world. You can add multiple, but just adding a unique name to each one. And you can have multiple enchantments on the same shovel. So you could have like the mower and the drain enchantment. All you have to do is say like mower 1, and you can also go comma drain :1. You just do it like that. And that'd be really easy. But yeah, so I guess I'll go like drain, and you don't have to have a level. You can just go make it be drain. Now something's not working here. What did I mess up? Oh, I forgot comma. Never forget a comma. Okay, and maybe I don't want this one to have efficiency on it. Maybe I just don't want any enchantments on it. That's fine. You can just have the drain. Now, I guess if you add the enchantment like this, the shovel won't actually look enchanted. That's why I'd like you to recommend you have another enchantment with it, because you can't really add the glint without a real enchantment on. So unfortunately that is unfortunate, but at least it has the enchantment, and pop, you get rid of water. And you could drain a whole area like with this or something. It looks very funny, but because it has the drain enchantment, if we don't have the shovel or a different one with the other enchantment, nothing happens. You have to be holding. You can't be not holding it. You have to hold it, and it gets rid of water. It's so cool. And then you could have 2 enchantments in the world. Now I kind of just replaced it, but you could add the enchantments. Now I know it's very laggy, but the video is almost over. It's probably all this water going away or something. Nope, and there's a giant hole that we made before with that other enchantment that didn't, that we're not going to use again. No, you can't climb up water with this, though. Well, I guess you can just not hold it. Yeah, okay, that works. I was going to say that's a downside. And this could also be used in a similar way to make custom armor. I was thinking custom water. What? To make custom armors that do the same thing. All you have to do is detect if you're wearing the armor, but you kind of have to detect the right slot, and you got to say like. I guess that's the only hard thing, but okay. Well, anyway, and you have to do the same thing with armor, and you can do the same thing with other items. You can. I'm gonna try like cobblestone. Like literally, like I can do cobblestone, and it's not gonna work because it's not a shovel, which is actually kind of unfortunate. You can't have enchantments that have like you can't have a pickaxe with this enchantment, but you could just detect both things. So you can see it, even though it has drain, it doesn't work because wait a minute. Because it's not a shovel. So you can just add multiple. There you go. It's gone. You can just add multiple commands saying if it's a pickaxe or a shovel, it works, and it works with both. But yeah, that's just an idea. But yeah, so now that we've drained the whole place with my enchantment, then we're that time to end the video. So we literally drained a whole lake with this, and that's kind of laggy. Okay, we forgot this. Pop. Okay, that's about it for the video. So if you did enjoy the video, the draining water and this custom enchantments, you can use this with basically anything. You don't even have to use like breaking blocks. You can literally just like give you an effect when you're holding it, or if you mine certain blocks you get an effect, or you can kill all, I don't know, you can do anything you want really. Then you might have to use some other ways to do it, but it shouldn't be too hard. So if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Hope you enjoy!